Hi, I'm Aryan. Here is another video today discuss about mental and some physical problem. Many times suffer mental problem and physical problem, whatever you will never be able to stop by thinking and tension, so stop your life. Depression will be in the tension life, so if you break down, you will not have to continue life. There are some case of mental problem, tension, depression, thinking about that will happen tomorrow. There's a many more reason that you do not understand yourself. If you ask me, I don't think tomorrow. Of course you think about tomorrow, but only important for today. How can you be better today without depression? Listen to a story. One gentleman has no food, but he is starving. Then he asked his Lord for an apple for today. But he don't think about tomorrow or worry about depression. Only survive for today. If you live well, then you are free from depression. Always try to be nice, talk to everyone, friendly, talk to everyone, go for a long drive and hang out. Of course, spend time with your family, get well with everyone. There is a more problem than mental recharge. Chief must be under treatment. Always try to eat vegetable and fish food and vitamin. Then your health will be good and you will be healthy. Thank you so much for listening to me for so long. Goodbye, stay healthy. See you again.